Have you ever struggled to imagine how an empty room could actually look furnished? Empty spaces are full of potential, but visualizing the right furniture layout isn't always easy. So in this workflow, I'll show you how to instantly test multiple realistic furniture placements using Vondy while keeping proportions and geometry accurate. So starting from an empty room, you need to add an image of a completely empty space, something like this. And then you have to add a mood board of the furniture and the style that you would like to test in this space. For example, something like this. This is the first set of furniture that I decided to test, and the prompt that I wrote is to add these furniture into the empty living room space while keeping all geometries and proportions accurate. Then the first image that I got from the chat was not completely accurate, and also the format did not exactly fit the original image. So I added these same two initial images to the prompt and wrote the exact same text, uploaded the same images, and chose the image model Nano Banana Pro, chose the format 16:9, and then I got a much more accurate result. And as you can see, it's the exact same space like from the original image, and all of the furniture from the mood board are placed in a very realistic way inside the space. Then I did the same also for a second mood board with a second set of furniture. And again, the first result that I got from the chat was not exactly what I wanted because the room wasn't kept super consistent. So I added again everything, the same reference images, the same text. I set the format to 16:9, the image model to Nano Banana Pro, and this is the result that I got. So super accurate based on the mood board. And again, it's the exact same space. Then I did the same with the third set of furniture, these ones. And again, the format was not exactly accurate, and also the perspective of the space. So again, I added the two images to the prompt. I wrote the same text. I chose the model Nano Banana Pro, the aspect ratio 16:9, and this is the result that I got. So again, super realistic and super accurate. And then I did the same also with one last mood board of these furniture and this color palette. And again, the first image from the chat was not very consistent based on the room proportions. So again, I added the empty space and this mood board to the prompt. I wrote the same text. I chose image model Nano Banana Pro, the correct format, and this is the result that I got. These are the 4 results from those 4 initial mood boards of furniture. And as you can see, all of the results are super realistic and super accurate. And as a final tip, I would always use references that match the scale you want. And also don't forget to specify that all geometries and proportions should stay accurate, like I wrote in every prompt. Because yeah, this makes a huge difference in realism. And that's it. With this workflow, you can quickly test different furniture layouts, styles, and moods, making it perfect for virtual staging, interior design, or early concept exploration. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough, and thanks for watching, and have fun testing it in your own projects.